Hi, welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical. In this video, we're going to be going over the all-new Jazzy Carbon 27X folding carbon fiber power chair. Diving in here, we have the Jazzy Carbon 27X. This is a fully carbon fiber folding compact power chair weighing in at only 27 pounds with the battery removed. So right now, we're going to dive into some of the features on it. I'll start with the joystick up here. So here we have Pride's newest joystick. This is a 4-button joystick. The top left is going to be our power. Top right is our horn. We have a plus and minus for our speed settings, 5 different settings with a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour. And of course, we have our joystick here. Looking into the seat of the 27X from Pride, here we're gonna have the cushion that comes separately with it. So when you do fold the unit, the memory foam cushion will come on and off. This memory foam cushion is very nice and comfortable, a premium style cushion that Pride gives you completely free with the purchase. So the seat pan itself is gonna be about 18 by 16. But here with the cushion that Pride provides, you'll get an 18 by 18 seating surface. So it's able to fit multiple individuals of various sizes. So right now we're gonna go ahead and show you how to fold the unit up. So the first thing you're gonna do, of course, that cushion will come off. Then over here, we have 2 foot plates. What's really cool about these foot plates is they're double hinged. So we can raise it up just like this to the side, or we could raise it first up this way and then in so it's out of the way. So when you're gonna fully fold it, we wanna raise it up and then in just like that so that we get them out of the way. From there, you're gonna see once you have the cushion off, there's 2 handles here we're gonna pull up on. We're gonna give that a firm tug and it's gonna come right into itself. Then we could put it in the car just like that, or if we wanna take it one step further, there's these hinges here by the backrest. We can squeeze those in. That's gonna drop the back of the chair down. And our last and final step over here, we have a lock latch that's going to go across and hold the right side of the frame to the left side. So this is what's going to prevent it from opening up on you. This is what's going to make it easy to go ahead and lift and put right into the car, weighing in at only 27 pounds. So now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to unfold the unit. So the first thing we're going to do, we do have it locked down. We're going to hit that latch here to unlock it. Spread it from the arms just a little. Palm our seat. We don't want to jam our fingers underneath. We're going to palm it, push right down. It's going to open right up. We'll lift the back up and it's going to click on each side. Grab our cushion for it. Put that right on there. And then your footrests again, they're going to flip out and then down. Same thing here, out and then down. And then if you're going to come sit in it, you'll flip these up this way so they're out of the way. So you can easily sit in your chair, kick your footrests down, power on, and then now you just drive right off. So next, we're just going to jump into a few quality of life features that they put on this device that kind of really differentiates it from the competition. Pride Mobility is the top brand out there as far as folding carbon fiber power chairs go, and they have great warranties for any repairs or maintenance needs. And here at Sherman Oaks Medical, we are a specialized and certified Pride repair provider. So right now, I just quickly wanted to go over the joystick and the battery. So you're charging on this unit. You could either charge it from under the joystick here with the charger that comes with the unit upon purchase. So it plugs right in there and will charge up in about 5 to 6 hours. Or if you want to take it one step further, you can press this button here, lift up, and your 4-pound battery comes right off. Airline safe, FAA compliant battery, so you're gonna have no issues taking this on a plane wherever you want to go all across the world. On the battery itself here, you're going to notice at the bottom, there's another charging port there. So if you want to leave this in the car, make life easy, take this inside, you have that option as well. Continuing on with some other features, I have the battery here in my hand. What we're going to notice is that there's a kill switch on the battery for on and off. You want to make sure that the battery is on before you use it with the device. But at any moment, if you did need to turn it off to conserve or save battery, very easy to turn off. That same switch is also on our device here. We have a switch here that switches from right side to left side. And what I mean by that is you can purchase an optional second battery on the unit. So you can have one battery here on the right side, and then you can have another battery here on the left side. So here right now, it's going to come standard with purchase with a cup holder and storage just like this. But say you don't want to have this and you want to just have your optional second battery, we can go ahead and take this off, pushing the button down here, lifting up and coming out. And you'll notice those same electronics are right here. We have 2 prongs right here. So your battery, gonna slide right in, go right onto it. And now we can flick the switch there to change it from the right battery to the left. And now the unit powers on and operates from that side. Thank you guys for tuning in to this in-depth demonstration on the Jazzy Carbon 27X folding power chair from Pride Mobility. If you're someone that lives in the Los Angeles or LA County area, we have a showroom here located in Sherman Oaks, California at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. Our phone number to reach us and talk to some of our expert staff is 818-981-9906, or for more information on any of the products that we carry, such as this one or some of our other mobility devices, you can visit our website, www.shermanoaksmedical.com.